How you want to do this? How you want to do this? Quick.
Man, I wish I could just push it right there to the church. I try to get it to the church.
Okay.
You know?
So you're going to make a right turn.
Yeah.
Try to get to that first church.
Yeah, the first church.
And I know sometimes one person can push it, but sometimes it's better two. But I know you got to steer if you're going to do that.
Yeah, right.
And I'm trying to figure out why would she do that? It's blocked. Hold. Because okay, go ahead.
I saw my wife.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It's just, it ain't one thing, it's another, man.
Well, I'm gonna try to help you out with this.
I
wish I would brought my car now over here. It's gonna be kind of rough to get back or loop around. But we can unless I make a
these guys around here, they can probably help me with it. I know I'm gonna give them something every morning. You know, the guys be standing up out here.
Yeah. So if I could try to push it by myself, and you can get inside.
No, I'm gonna be out too pushing.
Okay.
The same way.
Okay. And look how close they cut and everything. They acting like they going to the White House.
I know. You know.
So let me get over here real quick, and I'll be right back.
All right, buddy.
All right. All right, we got another vehicle that we're going to try to help out, stalled vehicle, get this going.
Hey, hold up.
Go. All right, you won't put the brake on? Okay. Wait, this car's coming. All right. We good. Yeah. All right, we got some momentum now. No problem. That's your church down there? All right. Okay. I saw that tow truck pass right by you too. Oh, okay. Almost to the church. Gideon. Oh, that's a good one. Gideon Christian Fellowship. You gonna get to the... Hold on. You good? You want to keep it right here?
Yeah. Hey, I sure appreciate you.
No problem.
If I can, I don't have another car, bro.
Yeah. You got a car?
No, I'm saying I got a car.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. And you know what I do? I'm a little out of breath. I'm not spring chicken no more like I used to be. But I help out with Roadside from time to time when someone needs some help.
Oh, that's good, man.
In my group, I'll catch my breath real quick.
Yeah, I know. I got to catch on too. That was a job done.
Archangel Roadside.
Okay.
You know, after like Archangel Michael and all that.
I appreciate it, man.
And just try to help people out where I can.
Right.
And my car does video of it. Sometimes I do video of it.
Okay.
Just to help people out.
Yeah, man.
But if you don't mind, can I put it on the YouTube to help out? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Put it on YouTube and just.
You help me out. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name? I'm sorry.
Milton.
Milton. Tyrone with you. Yeah.
Tyrone?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Good. So hopefully whatever needs to get done.
Yeah, they gonna. I get it fixed, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good though. But yeah, I had a jump box in my thing just in case.
Okay,
but
just in
you
case,
think
yeah.
it was a like?
No, it was something else.
Yeah, something totally
the
different.
fans or something. Yeah.
Yeah. It's look, something else going
Yeah,
on.
something else.
Woo! It's a high one today.
Yeah, where you at, dude?
Well, this is a good one. Gideon
Come on, I'm about
Fellowship. So.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, you're welcome. Let me get the. Nice. Another one just helped stall vehicle.